Can I get glow-in-the-dark or night vision lenses? I think this is a fun question, but the answer is no. We don't have that technology. I think a glow-in-the-dark lens is probably going to give you a lot of glare. You can imagine a light source inside your eye that's going to, wreak havoc on your vision. So that's an easy question. Night vision lenses, no. So then you'd be asking your eye to perceive, infrared light, which isn't humanly possible. So how would you do that? You would have to, genetically modify your photoreceptors and develop photoreceptors in your retina to be able to perceive different wavelengths, like the infrared spectrum, if you wanted to be able to see in the dark. I think this is probably how some animals can see well in the dark. Maybe, probably not. Probably they just, there's some other, adaptation, like they just have more acute rods inside their eyes, denser packed, that give them more detail with less light in the dark. But they're probably still viewing through the visible spectrum that they're not actually seeing heat and the infrared spectrum. But I have to look into that a little bit more. But yes, humans, no, we can't see in the infrared spectrums. We can't see heat. I think that would be very different way of seeing.